On Wednesday, 2 million people in our state become eligible to get a COVID vaccine. And here's a reminder of who that includes: anyone with 2 or more diseases or medical conditions, anyone over the age of 60, people living in congregate settings, and those working in restaurants, manufacturing, or construction. King 5's Christine Pei is at the Auburn Outlet Mall with a look at how the county is preparing. Christine?
Yes, King County launched this new vaccination site here at the Auburn Outlet Mall, really with the goal of prioritizing South King County residents. As we know, this area has seen higher rates of COVID compared to other areas. And as for opening up the eligibility to everyone sooner than later, well, it's the same thing we've been hearing for a while now. Supply is still limited.
If you get the opportunity, I think it's just peace of mind.
Fuchsia Doolin of Kent is a court worker, so she's eligible to get the COVID vaccine. Her husband,
the spouse of the person that works for the court system. So
Yeah.
They're among the 400 or so people who got the shot at the new mass vaccination site at the Auburn Outlet Mall. The goal is to vaccinate up to 4,000 a day here. So when President Biden announced this,
that is by April 19th, 3 weeks from today, 90% of adults, people over 18 and over, will be eligible to get vaccinated.
That'd be great. That depends on getting enough vaccine.
Mark Del Beccaro of King County Public Health says the ability to mass vaccinate is there. They just need the actual shots.
Without the right number of doses, it doesn't, in some ways, matter if you increase eligibility. You have to have doses to equal that.
And Governor Jay Inslee's office, upon seeing the president's announcement, tells King 5 it does not appear this is a directive. It appears that he is saying that more vaccine is coming. Any reassessment will come after we receive the additional doses. Washington State Hospital Association CEO Cassie Sauer hopes the state can get through phases sooner than May 1st.
We have considerably more rules than most other states do right now about who can be vaccinated.
And other states like California, for example, are already ramping it up, and they're even larger. How is that possible?
Well, everybody gets a proportion to their population. They have increased the phase eligibility. They still have the same proportion issue of doses to people.
King County says it will not stop prioritizing underserved communities, something Garcia Jean-Baptiste says is critical even as cases go up.
Yes, we want everybody to get it. It's great, everybody who wants it to get it, but we also have to make sure that we do it systematically.
As a nurse practitioner, Jean-Baptiste got her vaccine in January, and she still thinks about her fellow frontline workers who should have a chance at the vaccine before, for example, someone who worked from home all year.
Wouldn't you feel as if there'd be some injustice? But if we try and make sure the people who need it get it first.
Now, King County hopes to vaccinate up to 6,000 people a day here at this location in Auburn alone. That is, once the supply is there. Live in Auburn, I'm Christine Pei, King 5 News.